3 plastic car covers for $22. I had to try it out. So when I got them, I have 1, 2, and 3. I put one on. And first I put it on the Porsche, and now I put it on the NSX. And the reason why is because I've been wanting something like this after I wash my car. So here in Colorado, it's getting a little windy, and we use our garage door for our daily, and we just get dust naturally in the garage. And after I wash the car, it's kind of annoying because I want to keep it clean. And of course, I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on an indoor car cover. And sometimes, like hardcore indoor car covers, they're a little pain in the butt to put them on. Like, they're fitted, so like you have to make sure that you do it all like, you know, specifically correct, and you know, it could be a pain. So when I got this one and I put it on the car, it was super easy to put on, and we're going to show you and walk around and everything. And then the material, guys, the material feels really unique. Like, it's really, to me, it feels very durable. And that's exciting because like I could put this on the car for a couple of months. And if I feel like, man, I need to replace it, I got 2 more. And this is solving a problem. And I'm thinking that tons of like dealerships and other places are using this for the exact same thing, to keep cars clean, to keep them covered. And not only that, it's so easy to put it on. All right, guys, we're gonna open one up. Just like that, you open it up, and then it rolls out. And like I said, so easy. Kind of reminds me of like a shower cap, but for your car. And then you just kind of drape it over your car. And for some reason, it's just so easy to work with. Like, so easy. That's pretty much about it. And it's plenty big. And the goal for me is just to keep the dust off. Like, you know, keep it off after I wash it. Now, if the car is dirty, I'm not gonna put this on, but if it's clean, it's good to go. So it's easy to use. You get 3 for $22, and they literally accomplish a job, which is to keep your car clean. Now, I wouldn't use this like every day. This is if I'm gonna leave the car, you know, for a couple weeks, or if I just finish washing the car, I'm not gonna drive it for a week. This has its purpose, and it's pretty cool because it fits a perfect solution for what I'm looking for, and that's to keep the dust off. Well, guys, the link is gonna be in the description. I think this is super cool. It's just extra handy. And I also thought whenever I'm gonna do the oil change on the NSX, the one that I've been using now for a while, I'm gonna actually lay it down when I do my oil change, because the oil change on this car requires a lot of space. So I can literally reuse this for another purpose once it's ready to go. And of course, I don't know about recycling. I don't know how you can recycle this because it is a lot of plastic. But at the end of the day, I think it's a great solution for somebody in their garage. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Link in the description, and you take care.